Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Outback headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool, and disconnect the battery's negative terminal for safety. You'll need a few basic tools like a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a new headlight bulb. We'll cover the entire process, from accessing the bulb to testing the new one, making this a straightforward task for anyone. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything ready. You'll need a new headlight bulb, typically an H7 or 9005, depending on your specific Subaru Outback model. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. These are your primary tools. It's also a good idea to have a clean cloth and some gloves to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Now let's get to removing the old bulb. Open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached. Gently press its release tab and pull it off. Next, remove any retaining clips or screws that secure the bulb. There are usually one or two, often requiring a Phillips head screwdriver. Once unsecured, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new headlight bulb into the housing, making sure it's seated properly and not crooked. Reattach any retaining clips or screws you removed earlier to secure the bulb firmly. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a satisfying click. Finally, before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.